I'm doing a 3-strand fishtail and I'm starting with a ponytail. So I'm gonna take the ponytail and take 3 sections and take a tiny section of the side, and that will move over the right under the middle and become part of the left hand strand. And then I'm taking a tiny strand again from the left, and that will move under the left section, over the middle section and into the right. And from the right I take a tiny section of hair that goes over and under, and from the left I take a tiny section that goes under and over. And these little sections always become part of the other side section. So from the right the small section goes over the right section, under the middle, and then it becomes part of the left section, so you don't need to hold it separately anymore. And you always take the left and go under and over, and that becomes part of the right hand section. So they carry on like this. The hardest part of this braid is to hold it tight, so you need to pull a little bit in between just to make sure that all the sections stay where where you want them to be. And the middle section just stays as it is. It doesn't get anything added to it and nothing gets taken out of the middle section. It's always the right and left sections that you separate a tiny strand that travels to the other side. And you carry on like this until the end of the ponytail, and then it twists around and makes a DNA shape. So you can call this either a 3-strand fishtail or a DNA braid because it twists like this.